Tuesday, October the 25th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Much cooler air now in place after a really warm day around the region yesterday. I'll show you more on that in just a second. Here's a look at a couple of web cameras across the state of North Carolina this morning. We have the Avalon Pier web camera on the left, Beach Mountain Parkway cam, courtesy of resortcams.com on the right. Temperature at Kill Devil Hills 59 down to 41 at Beach Mountain. That's cooler air continues to take hold. There's a look this morning during the 5 o'clock hour at Charlotte. Looking good. A clear, crisp Tuesday morning underway. At the time that I cut the video, the temperature was 54 in Charlotte, but most folks winding up in the 40s for low temperatures this morning prior to those temperatures rising a little bit later on into the morning. Yesterday, what a nice day. Here's our final highs from Monday afternoon, 82 in Fayetteville and Columbia, 79 in Wilmington, 81 in Charlotte. It was close to 80 in a lot of Triad area locations, and between 77 and 80 around the viewing area. A couple ticks warmer in the Charlotte viewing area yesterday, 82 in Gastonia, 80 the high in Wadesboro, 79 in Albemarle, and 83 up in Statesville. All right, the radar quiet across the Carolinas this morning. Now up in the Great Lakes region, a few lake effect rain and snow showers downwind of the Great Lakes. That's really about it in terms of any significant precipitation across the eastern part of the country. It's a really quiet, cool air mass in place, and those cooler temperatures continue to take hold now over much of the eastern United States here as we go through our Tuesday. Now, cool high pressure building throughout the region. We will have plenty of sunshine as today rolls along, and then with the high pressure, the main weather player tonight, it'll be chilly. So let's talk about temperatures. Your highs this afternoon, there they are, much cooler than what we had out there for our Monday afternoon, much cooler scenario, and then chilly tonight. I think in the foothills and the Piedmont, lows upper 30s and lower 40s. Could be chilly enough in the normally colder spots for some patchy frost here and there. Tomorrow, again, lots of sunshine for us, and along with that sun, it'll be another relatively cool day. There's your Wednesday afternoon highs. And then on Thursday, this next cold front approaches. I do think on Thursday afternoon we could see a few brief showers roll in. Now you notice off to the north of us here with that area of low pressure, the first snow-producing system of the season moving across the Great Lakes and especially the northeastern United States. Here's what it looks like on Futurecast later Thursday and into Thursday night. That's when that swath of rain and snow moves through the northeastern part of the country. It could be a decent little snow event in many locations there, from upstate New York up through Vermont, New Hampshire, and up into Maine. So a pretty good little early season snow event up that way. Now around here on Thursday, your temperatures in the upper 60s to mid 70s, depending on where you are in the region. Tropics, no troubles here. Anywhere across the Atlantic Basin, things are very quiet all across the Atlantic Basin as a whole. All right, let's take a look at the upper level maps for today. This is the European model. Pretty docile weather pattern. Now this next cold front rolls in on Thursday. Trough driving that cold front in here. And then another shot of upper level energy moving into the eastern part of the country on Sunday. But really, weekend looks good. First of all, let's talk about today. There's what it looks like on the GFS. Big sprawling high pressure over the eastern part of the country. There's your low temperatures tonight, upper 30s and lower 40s, and a lot of the foothills and the Piedmont. Now tomorrow, again, a lot of sunshine. Thursday, there's that next system moving in, bringing a few brief showers. Now in the northeastern part of the country, here's that snow event rolling along. This is Thursday morning. There's Thursday afternoon. Let's see here. There is Thursday evening. You get the idea. And pretty good little swath of snow. There's the GFS snow totals from Weatherbell. Now, back to our local weather here. Friday looks good with high temperatures probably warming into the 70s. And again, the weekend looks really warm. I think we get this west and southwesterly flow in place here across North Carolina. So there is Saturday. There is Sunday. Could see some low 80s even in some spots over the course of the upcoming weekend. Then this front tries to move through. Man, that'll shave some warmth off of our temperatures by Monday and Tuesday, but still it's like a fairly warm pattern. So I think the bottom line is for the weekend and Halloween, probably a little bit of an above average temperature pattern on the way. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.